Hi guys! We're going to be making an paper aeroplane today.
I hope you like and subscribe. Tell your friends
so
too.
First, you fold the top bit through like that.
I do a different way, but that will be alright. And then
Next,
you
fold it like
like that.
No, well, yeah, that way.
And
the way we fold it that way, like
that.
that. Well, we have it like that. Then we fold it in like that.
Yeah.
And then we do the same to the other side.
Yeah. And then
we have it like this. And then we're going to fold it in like this to make it like this. But then I do another way as well. So we've had our aeroplane like this. Fold this bit here like that. Like, the way you have it like that and you fold in like that. Yeah, and do the same to the other side.
After that, I've got I know a good add-on, Maisie.
Now Kieran's gonna hold the camera while I fly it.
And I need to add something to it to make it better. Yes. Yeah, as I do.
And actually, before we do that, Kieran wants to add something to it.
Yeah, we need hold it to the camera. And then
it doesn't work like that. Sorry, he actually done that wrong. Right now, Kieran's going to hold the camera while I fly it across the room.
Yeah. And shall I take the camera?
Why could you put your finger in it? Just hold it like, hold it like across the room. So, actually, I'm going to hold the camera while Kieran flies it across the room. We just dropped the box on the floor.
Yeah.
Just a box. That way, a very good flight today.
Yeah.
So, bye there, guys.
Bye.